Well, Uber and Lyft just got absolutely exposed for price gouging, my friends. This is breaking news. Please thumbs up the video to help spread this across the interwebs so more people can see this. Before we jump in, if you're looking for a new way to make money, you guys have to check out TikTok Shop, okay? TikTok Shop is one of the easiest ways for anybody to start making money without any followers at all right? I have over 1 million followers on TikTok, but you don't have to. You can start with absolutely 0. Here you can see TikTok sends me these payouts to my PayPal account: $4,000, $7,000, $4,000, $14,000. I've learned how to make over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop, and now I'm teaching you. Join my program down below. Once you click that link, you will get access to a 30-day free trial so you can try it out. And again, there's no fees to get started on TikTok Shop either. And you'll actually receive free products. You can either set up your own shop like I have, and I'm selling my own products. I'm selling my own clothing brand. I can teach you how to set that up. Or you can make a page and promote other people's products and earn commissions, other companies' products, and earn commissions. And there's actually very reputable brands on there that people actually trust and buy from anyway. So once you join my program, you get access to both of those trainings and then the group chat too. So check it out. There's a 30-day free trial. It could change your life like it has for me. Doing social media, I was able to buy this house I'm sitting in SoCal for over $1 million. I got out of debt, credit card debt, paycheck to paycheck, minimum wage jobs, etc. Okay. Click that link below for the 30-day free trial. Otherwise, Uber and Lyft was slammed for price gouging after New York City subway shooting. Both companies say they ended a price surge after complaints, but could not explain why emergency systems meant to. Users of ride-hailing apps Uber and Lyft say they were fleeced after they tried to leave the Brooklyn area yesterday after a shooting left at least 23 people injured. Others found the price of a ride had increased several-fold, even in areas outside the immediate area of danger. The tragedy unfolding in Brooklyn yesterday was reason enough for many people to avoid the subways and summon an Uber. But when users looked at the total bill, they were greeted with a notice that fares are slightly higher due to increased demand and shocked at prices well above normal. Some saw prices nearly double what they should be. On Twitter, one user tweeted that a short trip, which should only take 11 minutes by car, would cost them close to $100. So Uber and Lyft were literally price gouging after a shooting took place. This is insane, my friends. Why, oh why, should somebody have to pay $100 to take a 10-minute ride? Which, by the way, why in the world should they ever do that? Because God knows that the Uber drivers aren't getting that money. So can somebody please explain to me why Uber needs to charge more during higher demand times when the driver isn't getting any of that money and they're still making the same amount? Or, oh yeah, they're gonna charge $100 instead of $20 and the driver gets an extra $1, but Uber just profits all that extra money? I honestly just hate how Uber and Lyft doesn't pay drivers the fair amount, and why they don't, like, there should be more transparency that drivers get 90% of the fare, 100% of the fare. Why does Uber and Lyft get to pocket most of the ride? Anyways, massive news there, massive exposed. Again, check out my program down below to start your own TikTok Shop page, or start your own TikTok Shop page promoting other people's products too. So you can either go either routes, and they're both free to get started. So click my link below. Again, this is just screenshots from TikTok paying me $4,000, $7,000, $4,000, $14,000. TikTok is making people rich. People are spending all day on their phone scrolling on TikTok. Oh, they buy a product. Scroll. Oh, they buy a product. They're all bots, all right? I'm one of them. I scroll on TikTok and buy stuff too. It's become very normalized. It's a very new thing though. So if you want to get, started while it's a new thing, join my program and I'll teach you how to do it so you don't have any questions. All right, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless, and talk to you soon. Bye now.